Amid the ongoing state of public emergency in Westmoreland, there was a double murder on Barracks Road in the parish this afternoon. As Janela Press News now reports, the incident happened at an unlikely spot.
Training center turned crime scene. This is the Savannah Lamar Wise Men Club, which serves as a training center for young men in Westmoreland. Ironically, participants were engaged in an anti-violence training seminar. 2 of the trainees were shot and killed in a daring attack in full view of the group.
Students were at the rear of this building here, Wise Men's Club, having lunch, when a lone gunman on foot went around the back of the said building. They observed, he observed the students having lunch. Then he left, came back about 5 minutes after and opened fire, hitting the 2 young men that eventually died.
The identities of the dead men have not been disclosed. The police say they've identified a person of interest and will be pursuing leads. Now, as it relates to the deceased men,
one thing I can say to you, that nothing thus far is suggesting that either of the young men is a part of any gang or criminal groupings.
This is the latest in a series of daring daylight attacks in sections of the parish, which is now under a state of public emergency. The police say while they are committed to targeting criminals responsible for the increase in violence and crime, law-abiding citizens have a critical role to play.
I just want to use this opportunity as well to say to the residents that this thing has been going on for years, and the only end result is death or displacement, and you have the power to stop it, and we are here to work with you to stop it, and we seek your support in putting an end to this stupidness and this madness that has been going on for so many years.